Check the song without and with the harmony trick.
I got the speed inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. I got the speed inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on.
This is the secret the pros use all the time before playing the chords already belong to the song. And the good news is easy to do, perfect to embellish your songs and make them sound more professional. Let me show you exactly how it works. This chord tool, my friends, is called secondary dominant. The name might sound scary, but the logic is quite simple. This secondary dominant chord, it is a chord that you're gonna add before the chord that you're already gonna play. For example, the chord that you're already in the song or the chord progression. It works like a passing chord or key harmonization tool. How to do that? Let's say you have this chord progression. A minor, A, C, E with A, G major, G, B, D with G, F major, F, A, C with F, and A minor again. So playing the normal way, you sound like this. And to add the secondary dominant chord, first you go to the first chord, for example, A minor, and then you go to the fifth note of this chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E, and turn this E into a major chord, E major. And feel free to add the 7 as well. So before you play this A minor, you play this E7 and then go to A minor. So you have this passing chord, this secondary dominant chord before the original chord came. And will sound like this. You'll have this tension and then release. And to make more musical sense, let's do with the next chords as well. Next one will be this G major. So the same rule. Go to the fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn this D into a major chord, and feel free to add the 7 as well. Now playing the chord progression with the secondary dominants added, we have And by the way, if you're looking for a piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. One more, let's do with F. F, it's over here, so go to the fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn into a major chord, and then add the 7th. So now the chord progression is E, A minor, D, G major, C, F, and then finish A minor. To remind you, let me play the original chord progression without the secondary dominance chords, and then I'll play with the chords added. So the original one. With the secondary dominant chords. To To apply this technique to a song, as an example, let me use this song, I can stop the feeling. And the chord progression for the song is C major, C, E, G, or doing inversions like this, A minor, A, C, E, A. You also can play this A minor with the 7th, like this, adding the G, and F major, F, A, C with F. And let's apply the same technique. So for the first chord, C major, I'm gonna play exactly like this because it's the first chord. And then I will do the secondary dominant technique into the A minor. So A minor is over here. And before to play A minor, I go to the 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E, and turn this E into a major chord and adding the 7th as well. So I will play C, E7, and then A minor. And before to play F major, I will do this exactly the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C, I'll turn this into a major chord, adding the 7. And now, before I play this F, I will play this C7. And then I will do this one more time with the final A minor on the progression, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna add this E major 7. And of course I can do this one more time when I'm returning to the C major, which is the first chord. But if I'm doing that, this is C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have this G7, which means this G major is already on the key of C. So this scenario, it's called primary dominant. I already have a video on the channel explaining details about that. So if you want to learn, check by the end of this video the link I'm gonna leave for you. Recalling the chord progression, I have now C, E, A minor, C, F, E major, A minor, G, and go back to C. Now let's listen to how this harmony tricks works with this song, and I'll throw some rhythm patterns as well, but the rhythm is there, it's exactly the same thing. Let's listen to.
I got the speed inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. I feel my city, I feel my home. Flying up the ceiling when we're in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I got that hot blood in my body when it drops, and I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, rock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
And to learn more about the secrets of the music harmony, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next tutorial.